The second product on this list is the Esbit 5-piece lightweight cooking set. Are you planning to go on an extended camping trip or looking for the best stove to heat water and to make simple meals on outdoor adventures in the wilderness? If yes, then the luck is yours with the Esbit Solid Fuel Stove and Cook Set. This is an attractive fuel stove manufactured in Germany. It features an outstanding lightweight design that is wonderfully portable. Additionally, this stove is available in a gray color that enhances the look even further. Everything about this unit screams high quality, from the solid brass burner to the rest of the hard anodized aluminum construction. It's a device that really feels like thought and care has gone into it. You'll also love that it features a compact design so that you can place this fuel stove in any small space. This unit is made from a lightweight material to offer true on-the-go portability. It is perfect for backpackers and campers. Even better, the pot provides useful volume indicators in both liters and ounces. This is a great feature that can come in super handy on multi-day hikes and when trying to be as efficient as possible with fuel consumption. Moreover, the presence of the two stainless steel grips that can easily fold flat against the body of the pot makes it much more convenient to use. Overall, the Esbit Solid Fuel Stove and Cook Set is a very nice little device. You'll be sure to love this fuel stove for its user-friendly features. It is suitable for hiking, backpacking, car camping, and much more. So if you're already deciding to invest your pennies on this wonderful stove, then your decision is correct. Its pros are, it has a very sleek and durable design that will last for years, its pot volume indicators are very handy, and it is effortless to set up. However, it has relatively poor temperature control options. The Esbit 5-piece lightweight cooking set looks great and performs exceptionally well. It's perfect for backpackers and hikers of all stripes. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.